Hello there and welcome to Achievers Eden in Grade 7 Mathematics with me, your teacher, Mr. Booster. In this mathematics video, we're going to discuss on a circle. So we're saying that some parts, basic parts of a circle, we're saying that this line around the circle is known as the circumference. The line is known as circumference. So the line around the circle is known as the circumference. So if they ask you to find the circumference of a circle, they want you to solve for the total distance around the circle. Then we're saying that there is a line between that cuts the circle into two halves. This line is known as the diameter. Then we're saying that the line that runs from the circumference to the center of the circle is known as the radius. So the radius is half the diameter. Very good. We're saying that any distance from the circumference to the center circle is pi. And we're saying that this is constant. The approximation for pi is 3.142. That's a decimal number, and for the fraction is 22/7. Therefore, if you're asked to solve for circumference of a circle, here are some of the formulas that you can use to solve. So we can say circumference is equal to pi diameter. Very good. One of the formula that we can use when we're asked to solve for circumference of a circle, we're saying it is circumference is equal to pi multiplied by diameter, or circumference is equal to 2 pi radius. 2 pi radius. We use this formula when we are given the radius. Where is the 2 coming from? One may ask. We are saying that 2 of the radius, they make up what? A diameter. Very good, because we said that radius is half the diameter. So these are some of the formulas that you can use to solve for circumference of a circle. Now let's take a look at the questions, the way they are asked during grade 7 final exam. Calculate the circumference of a circle whose diameter is 12. Calculate the circumference of a circle whose diameter is 12. First, I need to identify what I've been given in my question. What have I been given? Very good. I've been given the diameter. So among these two, or between these two formulas, which formula are we going to use? We're going to use the formula with the what? The diameter. So we say solution. So for one, we're saying that in the question we've been given the diameter. Therefore, between these two formulas, we are going to use our first what? Formula, because it's the one that is having what? The diameter. So we say circumference is equal to pi. What have they said? Take pi as 3.14. So we are saying on where we are on pi, we are going to replace it with the information that we have been given, which is, so okay, maybe we start with the formula pi diameter, then circumference is equal to, we're going to replace with the information being given. On pi, what have we been given? We have been given 3.14 multiplied by diameter. What is our diameter? Our diameter is 12. Very good. So we're saying 3.14 multiplied by 12. So we are going to say 314 multiplied by, so when we are multiplying a decimal number with one number, we can ignore the decimal number, the decimal point when multiplying. Then we replace the decimal point when we are done multiplying as follows. This by that, we're saying it is 8. This by that, it is 2. This by that, it is 6. Any number multiplied by 1 is that number itself. So 1 by 4 is going to give us 4, 1, 3. When we reach there, we're going to add 0 there, 8, there, 6, there, 7, there, 3. When we are done with the answer, we go back to the question. How many decimal places did our question have? Our question had 2 decimal places. So the answer is going to have 2 decimal places as well. Very good, you're following. So our answer will be circumference equals to 37.68 centimeter. That is our circumference. That's it for me, Mr. Booster. Believe you can remember, and it will be easy during the grade 7 exam to answer such a question. So number 2, I'll leave it for you to answer. Find the circumference of a circle whose radius is 4 centimeter. Find the circumference of a circle whose radius is 4 centimeter. Which formula are we going to use between the two? We are going to use the one with radius. I believe you are going to do it with these challenges. Looking forward to see your answer. God bless.